Freaking flooded. Really? Hush, my child. It's another friend here, and I am walking out of my house right now, and it is raining pretty bad. I'm walking to my bus stop, and I'm going to just wait for my bus, but at the moment, hell no. The park is flooded pretty much. This will be posted until after school because, yeah, I don't have any internet or anything like that at school. I mean, I would, but I don't know the Wi-Fi password. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just, I wish Ahmad was out, but I guess she's waiting inside her house, because from her house, she can see the bus come, when the bus comes. So, yeah, or maybe I can see some, I don't know. No, that's, Josiah. I don't have my ears on because I put them in my backpack because, first of all, I'm wearing a hoodie and I don't want my ears to get wet. So, I'll update you either after school or during school. I don't know. Bye. Why? We got on the bus and we can't even look out the window. Our pants are soaking wet and it's terrible. Hey guys, nice friends here. It's after school now. I'm with Stephanie.
No, I'm not.
And it stopped sprinkling for a bit. Well, it stopped raining, but then it just started to sprinkle again, which doesn't make sense for no reason. So there's a freaking rainbow! Oh my god! I saw it first. Yes!
I can see that out of my classroom. Because I saw it and I told Miss McCann.
Oh my god! We see the end of the rainbow! Folks, we are lucky. Yes.
The end of the rainbow is in the clouds.
We found a freaking rainbow.
Wait, there's two. But it's barely even visible. Like,
I don't see it.
I see it, but like you can barely
It's one of those rainbows. I think I can kind of see it. But there's a freaking rainbow. Hell yeah! Oh. Someone was messing with the emergency thing, and we someone's gonna get suspended for the rest of the year. Yeah, she's shy.
I don't want to be on camera.
Okay. Camera shy. We've been seeing a rainbow.
Miles said.
And we're heading back to school. Perfect. There's a freaking annoying kid on the bus that we have to deal with. By the time I go home, I'm probably going to be deaf in 1 year. He's screaming like, oh, we gotta go back to school. Look, we're back at the school.
High school.
High school.
Is that Mr. David coming over here?
Oh, you're talking mushroom.